This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
PCV valve replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Locate the PCV valve on the passenger side of the engine. Work the clamp and hose off of the PCV valve. Using a deep socket, loosen the PCV valve, then remove it. A working PCV valve can quickly be tested by shaking it. The valve should rattle, which indicates the valve is not stuck. Another test is to have the engine running and then put your finger over the valve. If no suction is found, look for a cracked or dislodged hose or a defective PCV valve. To install, thread the replacement PCV valve into place. Tighten the PCV valve to the specified torque setting. Install the hose and clamp.